Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make one of my bracelet designs. I actually have shown that on my YouTube channel before. However, that day was extremely rainy here in New York, so the video ended up a little bit too dark. So for this one, I'm gonna do a close-up and hopefully the light is good enough. All right, let's begin. We're going to start by making a slip knot. Okay, place it on the hook and tighten a little bit. From here, we're going to do 2 chains. So yarn over, pull through, that's 1. Yarn over, pull through, that's 2. The next step of the bracelet pattern is inserting the hook into the very first chain we made right here. Grab the yarn, pull through until you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both. So this is where we are right now. For the next step, you can turn the work a little bit and insert the hook into this loop right here. Okay, yarn over, pull through that very first loop, and now we have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both. So that's the start of the pattern, and we're going to keep going like that. So for the next time, we're going to catch these 2 loops right here. Okay, again, you can turn the work a little bit, insert the hook into those 2 loops. So technically you should have 3 on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 until you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both. Same pattern goes. We turn the work a little bit, insert the hook into those 2 and catch those 2 loops. So technically you should have 3 now on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. You have 2 now. Yarn over, pull through 2 more. Same thing again. Turn the work, grab, insert the hook into those 2 loops right here. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2 more. Again, turn the work, catch these 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Turn the work, again, catch the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. Turn the work, same thing. Catch these 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. So this is what the pattern looks like and what the bracelet is starting to look like. It's a very easy way to make friendship bracelets, and they look really, really good. And then for my online store, I also do these in 2 colors. So it's a mix of red and white usually. And those are really popular around March, where we in Bulgaria wear Martinica bracelets. You can check them out on my website, martinitsaspirit.com. The link is down in the description below, as well as in my profile. Look how pretty. Let's keep going. Again, we're going to catch these 2 loops right here. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more. If you keep it loose, it'll be easy to insert the hook and catch those 2 loops right here on the side. So that's the pattern. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to support it, and I'll see you next time.